What are the two main categories of textile fibers? A, natural and artificial. B, natural and synthetic. C, organic and inorganic. D, synthetic and artificial. Which property makes cotton an ideal fabric for summer wear? A, water resistance. B, heat retention. C, moisture absorption. D, elasticity. Silk is produced by which insect? A, moth. B, bee. C, caterpillar. D, silkworm. Wool is primarily obtained from which animal? A, cow. B, sheep. C, goat. D, camel. What is the primary advantage of polyester over natural fibers? A, highly breathable. B, wrinkle resistance. C, fire resistance. D, eco-friendliness. Bamboo fiber is primarily used to produce A, waterproof jackets. B, thermal underwear. C, eco-friendly textiles. D, industrial fabrics. Which of the following is not a common fabric weave? A, twill. B, satin. C, crochet. D, plain. Denim is traditionally made from which fiber? A, wool. B, polyester. C, cotton. D, rayon. Now your turn. Answer questions and comments below to win exciting prize. Winners will be selected from correct answer. Don't miss your chance to win.